Hello everyone, this is class6. So today, as we have completed 99% of our syllabus of components of food, so we are going with some important topics today that will consist of deficiency disease and test for various nutrients, as these are some probable question for your examinations also. So what I'm sharing here, please be in touch with that till the examinations. Okay, so please see, deficiency diseases. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, if this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Actually, what happened? Many of us have seen that uh, we are very capable to eat different kinds of food, but due to the food poor quality, the food does not have particular or required or adequate amount of nutrients, and that is why we are getting nutrient-less food in our daily diet. So that will probably create deficiency of certain nutrients, minerals or vitamins and result in deficiency disease. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause disease or disorder in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrient over a long period are called deficiency disease. Again, deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause disease or disorder in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrient over a long period are called deficiency diseases. If a person does not get enough protein in his or her food for a long time, he or she is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates, protein, for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely, and this is one of the major concern for the deficiency. Then we are looking towards test, means how do we know that particular food is containing carbohydrate, that food is containing protein or fat. So I have already explained you in our previous video, but in this we will look again for this also. Test for carbohydrate. Take the food item in test tube, add 2-3 drops of dilute iodine solution to it. After some time, if you will notice that color changes to black blue or blue black, it indicates the presence of starch in the food item. The change in color to black blue is because of reaction of starch with iodine. Again I am repeating, take the food item in test tube and add 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution to it. After some time, if you will notice that color changes to blue black, it indicates the presence of starch in the food item. The change in color to blue black or black blue is because of reaction of starch with iodine. So this is a confirmed test for carbohydrate. Test for protein. Take the food item in test tube, add 10 drops of water to it and mix well. Now using a dropper, add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda, sodium hydroxide solution. Mix well and keep it in undisturbed for some time. After some time you will observe that development of violet color is there. So this is what I am trying to say. If the violet color is present in the test tube, it indicates the presence of protein. Means what we are doing, we are just adding the copper sulfate and caustic soda solution, and the complete a solution or a mixture is giving out violet color. So this indicates the presence of protein. Test for fat. Take the food item in a paper and wrap it. Try to crush it, taking care that paper is not torn. Take out the food item and allow the paper to be dried for some time. If you can find this oil spots on the paper, it indicates the presence of fat in the food item. So what we are doing, we are just crushing the food and wrapping the paper. Okay, so we have to take care that the paper is completely covered. Okay, the crushed food is completely covered, so that the paper is all over that food. Now if you dry for some time, you will notice oil spots on the paper, and it is a clear indication of food fat in the food item. So this is all for this video. We will discuss some more thing in the next video. Okay, so till then, have fun, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.